Hello friends, welcome back to Shia Sisters. Today we're gonna see how to make an object clicker game on Scratch. So let's begin. So this is how our game is gonna work. Our game is gonna have a catalog, a world record, and a variable that keeps track of our points. And once we get 150 points or 300 points, we have to buy a new clicker sprite, and then the points go back to 0. So let's get started. Delete the cat sprite and add a new sprite. You have many other sprites to choose from. I'm going to choose it from the category FUD. I'm going to choose the jar sprite. But don't you think it's a bit small for a clicker? So let's go to the costumes tab and make the costume a bit more bigger. And also, don't forget to snap the costume to the middle of the stage. Now click on the code tab and grab the When Green Flag Click block. Go to the motions category and grab the Go to X and Y block and set it to 0. Now go to the controls block category and put a forever loop around it. Now go to the events block category and grab the When the Sprite Click block. Now go to the looks category and grab the set size to 100 block. Let's grab 2 of these blocks. We will want to set the size to 100 when the green flag is clicked as well. Now let's set the size to 110% when the sprite is clicked. Now grab a wait 1 second block and set it to 0.1 seconds. Maybe let's do it 0.01 seconds so that it's really fast. Now let's grab another set size to 100 block so that it goes back to its previous size. Now click on the variables block category and delete the my variable and make a new variable called points. We are using the points variable so that every time the sprite is clicked, our points increases by 1. So when the green flag is clicked, we're going to set the points to 0. So grab the set points to 0 block. Now let's grab a change points by 1 block and put it below the set size to 100% block. Wow, the game came out good. But don't you think that something is really missing? Yes, you guessed it right. It's an attractive sound to be played after every single click. You can either choose the default sound of the sprite or choose a new sound. I'm going to choose a new sound. I'm going to choose the collect sound. You can choose whatever sound you want. Now click on the code tab and go to the sound category and grab the play sound collect until done block. It's better to put the play sound collect until done block under the change points by 1 so that it happens after every click. But don't you think that we're missing something really important? Yes, you guessed it right. It's our backdrop. Now click on the backdrops tab and we're going to make a gradient backdrop. Click on the square and click on the gradient option and make the first color as red and the second color as white. But don't you think this red is a bit too light? So here's a small trick. Click on the jar sprite and use the color picker tool and select the dark red color. Now go back to our backdrops and draw the square. As you can see, the dark red that we used for the jar sprite has come to the square. Now our clicker game is ready. I hope you liked how we made the clicker game. In part 2, we'll see how to make the world record, and in part 3, we'll see how to make the catalog. But for now, bye!